2 or letter B. Okay, so we have to identify the discriminant or real number solution of x squared plus 2x plus 3 equals 0. So we identify the A, B, and C. The A here is 1. Ito yun. B is 2. C is 3. So we have B squared minus 4AC. B squared, we all know that is 2 squared minus 4 times 1. That is A times C, we have 3. And we get to simplify this one. 2 squared, that is 4. Minus 4 times 1 times 3, we have 12 or negative 12. 4 minus 12, that is negative 8. Right? So, therefore, our discriminant is negative numbers or negative 8. So, therefore, or because the discriminant is negative, based dun sa ating case, the equation, this is our final analysis, the equation has no real number solution. If you want to check it, just try to solve this using quadratic formula and you get to find that there is no real number solution dahil ang discriminant natin is negative. Okay, so without further ado, allow me to have this third example.